after I recovered, again, there were a lot of circumstances at play due to which I could not come back into the Indian team. And then again, I said, ठीक है, नहीं हुआ ना, चलेगा यार. You wanted to work in the business of sport, ना, all the time. करना, कुछ कर. एक human being को एक quality ऊपर वाला देता है, वो it's called the ability to adapt. I think we underestimate our own ability to adapt to situations. But somehow I said, ठीक है, हो गया. Now let me try and recover. And after I recovered, again, there were a lot of circumstances at play due to which I could not come back into the Indian team. And then again, I said, ठीक है, नहीं हुआ ना, चलेगा यार. You wanted to work in the business of sport, no, all the time. करना, कुछ कर. All the perimeter advertising which you see on grounds, Sporting Frontiers had the rights to that at all the stadiums in India. So I was a sales guy. I would go to Ambuja Cement and Ultratech and Unilever and say, ki, boss, this is a package which we have for signage. And that's how I started at the grassroots level. If today you ask me, Jatin, which is the best board to buy in a T20 game, test match, one day game, I'll tell you, Vivek, ye le lo, wo mat lo, idhar zyada dikhega camera. So right from grassroots, I learned everything there, everything. I'm a big believer that if you are entering a domain, you should know ground up. You need to know everything, because then when you're leading a bigger team like I am now, then you understand the stuff which people go through at that uh, little lower down the food chain. मैं इंडिया के बारे में सोच ही नहीं रहा था. मुझे बॉम्बे टीम का इतना अभी भी मुझे इतना it's so close to my heart कि I and I'd read somewhere, Michael Atherton, after he retired, he said, I want to be known as a Lancashire batsman. And I said, I want to be known as a Bombay batsman, as a guy who batted number 3 for Bombay. So I was very happy. Ki, theek hai, I'm playing, I'm holding my spot in a very strong team. So Sachin would lead, Ravi Shastri, Vinod Kambli, Sanjay Manjrekar, Amol Muzumdar, Abhi Kuruella, Salil, Jatin Paranjpe is in that team. Jatin Paranjpe is in every team. So I would judge myself ki you've got to be picked in the strongest Bombay teams. And then I hit a very big streak, and things kind of happened. Parents की grounding थी, and it was it was all about doing the right thing, however hard it might be. It was all about doing the right thing. I remember we were playing a match as to play for Don Bosco, and this was a major kind of incident in my life, that we were playing a final against Adarsham. Sachin was playing, Vinod Kambli was playing for them. And I just got out last ball of the day on 96 or 97 or something. And I came back home. I was at home and my dad came back saying, what happened? So I said, no, we are 60 away. And we have 4 wickets in hand. So then he said, so you still have a chance, right? So I said, no, we don't have a chance. These guys can't bat. And he was so upset with me. He did not talk to me for a week. And then I asked my mother, what happened? And he said, he's just felt bad that you're the captain of the team and you don't rate your own team. You don't think that they're going to, do something. That's when I realized कि भाई ये team game है. You have to, be a part of this entire mold. And I think that thing about the team, and one of the pieces about, being a team player is enjoying the success of others. And we just enjoyed Sachin's success, enjoyed Vinod's success, because Sachin के साथ compare करने में तो कोई point ही नहीं है, because he is on a different planet. Sports teaches you tenacity. It teaches you tenacity, and that I think tenacity and मैं Bezos का बहुत बड़ा भक्त हूँ. अच्छा. हाँ, so he calls it relentless resourcefulness, which an entrepreneur needs to have. Sports teaches you tenacity with resourcefulness. That resourcefulness gives you that tenacity in a certain way. So I think team sport तो खेलना ही चाहिए. Because it teaches you 2 or 3 things. It teaches you to win, teaches you to lose. I remember we were playing a match, Tamil Nadu versus Tamil Nadu in Tirunelveli, and we got whipped. I remember we sat in the dressing room, 2-3 घंटे ऐसे ही बैठे थे. मैं तो पैड पहन के ऐसे ही, I was in a daze. And then suddenly somebody said that we don't ever want to feel like this again. And we said ki we will never feel like this again, because we had not prepared well for that game, and we said we will never be underprepared ever again. So sports teaches you how to prep, how to have discipline, how to manage your time. Even when I am talking to my team, I talk to them a lot about prep. Ki come prepped for every meeting. That meeting should start with some solutioning, not with अच्छा setup ये है वो है.